to another very interesting video about Scopus, how to search your field, how to get information about your field. So today I'm showing something very different. I'm already signed in to the Scopus. You must need access to the Scopus, and I'm searching my field through documents. As I mentioned, you can also search through author if you know author, and also affiliation. Affiliation means that your connection to the university or institutions. So let's search by documents. I already given the perovskite solar cell, and now I am telling the system that please find the perovskite solar cell in article title, as we know title, abstract and keywords. So let's search this search. So as I mentioned, it give me 11,773 documents, you see. So we explain about this, that year wise how many documents, 2019, this much 2018. Some people give in advance papers, and this is author names who publish more papers, you see, Michael Gradzel, and subjects area, and all the detail I explain in my first two videos. Now I'm going to show you these information, the information which are available on the left hand side through graphs. So you look this analyze search results. Let's analyze. The graph symbol is here. Let's analyze this result through graphs. So when you click this, it will give me information about the graphs. The information in the form of graphs. So the first information is documents by year, you see, and these are the year wise. So as we can see that it started from 1981, but only one documents. So the graphs looks not so good. So you see, when you click this, it will show you. So basically it start from 2008, 7 documents, you see, 2008, 7 documents, and it's increasing tremendously. If you go to 2016, 1960 documents. Let's further do some setting. Let's just select year range to analyze. Let's start from 2008. From 2008 to 2019. This is 19. Yeah, this is 19. 2019. And analyze. Now it's loading the system, and now we will see that how the graph will look like. Yeah, the graphs looks like very beautiful now, you see. So the graphs, it's from 2008, you see a number increasing tremendously. So this research is a very hot area. The 2019 is still underway, and you see it will go off. So in 2018, look at the number. So from here we can understand that the number are increasing. And now if you want to get this information, so there are many ways. For instance, just copy paste from there. So you can bring it from here to your Word or some other place. So it is very simple. You have also sniffing tool. You can take this information using sniffing tool. For example, just click here, sniffing tool. You see, the sniffing tool will help you to just select the sniffing tool from here and just go here. This is the sniffing tool now. This is very important tool. You can use other technique, but this one to me is look like very simple. Just select the data like this. If you want to make a proposal or any report, so just paste it. Control V. Press Control V. You will get the information in MS Word. You see. So this is how we do analysis. This is the documents by year. If you scroll down, so you will see documents per source, means source. You see, Journal of Material Chemistry A. You see the rest it become visible and the rest are become invisible. Physical chemistry C, advanced energy material. It's a very nice software, you see. Now the documents by author. Let's see the author, you see. So the author is, for example, Michael Gradzel, who published 215 documents in Scopus. That is Scopus. Scopus collect the papers, articles from all around the world and from all publishers and from all journals. Nasiruddin, the second guy, Snaith, this guy you see, Park NG, South Korean, Zahir Zakiruddin, again Switzerland, Indian guy, this guy you see. So this all information, very nice. For example, if you want to do PhD, if you want to do higher education, you see this guy is advanced in this field, the second is this, the third is this. So you go for them. It's a very easy, drop an email to them. This is documents by affiliations. You can also go Chinese Academy of Sciences, Ministry of Chinese, Switzerland. You see the Michael Gradzel and Nasiruddin is from here. Peking University. These are the universities. University of Oxford. So these are by documents wise. And documents by country. Let's see who is leading in this field. China. Oh my goodness. Look at the number. So out of 11, almost 12,000. China is almost 5,000. Wow. United States, South Korea, Japan, UK, Germany, Switzerland, India, Australia, Hong Kong. You see, this number of documents published by country, document by type. Let's see, you see, articles, number of articles are this much. The rest is conference paper, short story, and book chapters. You see, and this is all about subject area. Material science is this much percentage. Chemistry, energy, engineering. As a perovskite source is basically related to material science. We use material, different type of material to absorb solar energy. It's also related to chemistry, energy. You see, this is subject wise. So this is all about the detail which we need. So you just use sniffing tool as a very easy technique, and just if you want to write your just select it and just press here control V, so you will get information. So you can give the figure here, that you can give the figure number 2, whatever you see, and you write the detail. The details were taken from Scopus, on date, etc. Date, blah 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 blah. So you see, if you want to write a proposal or a report or whatever a thesis, you can put this information from the Scopus. This was all about today's video, that how you can analyze data and how you can analyze the results, how you get as much as information from the Scopus. So thanks for watching. If you do not understand any of my steps, please do not hesitate to put your comments below, so I will definitely answer. Thanks for watching.